Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The $1,099 Creality CR30, also referred to as Naomi WU's 3D print mill, is a game-changing 3D printer that offers many unique features not typically found on consumer machines. Instead of printing on a build platform with a fixed area, the CR30 prints on a conveyor belt that allows the machine to print parts in a serial fashion, ideal for production parts. This unique conveyor belt system also allows for a theoretically infinite print length, and Creality has demonstrated that the printer will keep printing as long as you keep it supplied with filament. However, as innovative as the CR30 is, it has some issues that prevent it from joining our list of the best 3D printers, most of which involve the conveyor belt included with the machine. If you're interested in a 3D printer that is designed to print parts for production, or needs specialty geometries that require extra long length on a particular axis, and don't mind making mechanical adjustments or calibrations, the CR30 is a printer you're going to want to explore. However, if you're more interested in an easy-to-use FDM platform that doesn't require any tweaking or adjusting, an easy-to-use printer like the Anycubic Viper may be a better fit. The Creality CR30 is a unique 3D printer that made waves when it first launched as a Kickstarter project in November 2020. The angled nozzle and rotating conveyor belt captured the imagination of many people, including myself, and the campaign went on to raise just under $1.4 million USD before successfully ending. The design of the CR30 was a collaboration between Creality and designers Naomi Wu, Carl Brown, of NAK3D, and Bill Steele, of Polar 3D. While most 3D printers extrude filament directly perpendicular to the build platform, the CR30 uses an angled nozzle printing onto a moving conveyor belt to offer an infinitely long Z-axis. This configuration takes a minute to fully grasp. Essentially, the XY plane is now at a 45-degree angle to the build platform instead of the traditional 90-degree angle, and the Z-axis moves forward instead of up. Still confused? Adam Fasnicht from PowerBelt 3D has written an excellent guide covering the kinematics and slicing considerations for belt printers. Number 2. There are multiple HV options beyond 24 volts. Pay close attention to the maximum safe voltage based on the components on the boards. The links provided are affiliate links. They cost you nothing extra but provide me with a small kickback to buy stuff for our inducing 48 volts electronics can cause serious harm on injury. Only attempt to install this on your printer if you know what you are doing. Under no circumstances I can be held responsible for harm or injury to any person or piece of equipment, and you waiver all rights to hold me responsible for anything that happens as a result of using my design, or even thinking about my design. Number 3. Infinite printing. Print a model that is as long you want or print as many items as you need over and over. You are only limited by how much filament you have at your disposal. Easy setup. The new batch of INFi20 Belt 3D printer is not fully assembled. But with an easy assembly design and the built-in layer test feature, this belt printer will still get you off to an easy start. Stable Core XC structure. Precision isosceles right angle structure for rigidity and enhanced print stability. Improved bed adhesion. Textured nylon conveyor belt on the INFi20 delivers excellent print adhesion and smooth print quality. Modern UI and SainSmart Slicer. The INFi20 comes with a straightforward user interface that allows you to keep track of the printer status with ease. The rotary dial makes numerical changes and axis movement easier. Specially designed SainSmart Slicer gives you a boost in your infinite 3D printing journey. The INFi20 is a 3D printer produced by SainSmart, a manufacturer based in the United States. It uses the fused filament fabrication technology to produce thermoplastics parts using filament feedstock. It offers a build volume of 180x infinity by 200 mm. Number 4. SuperPinda Probe features a HIQH quality sensor for a fully automatic mesh bed leveling process. Before every print, the MK3S Plus probes the bed in several places and creates a virtual height map of the print area. This process ensures that the first layer will always be spot on. The MK3S Plus features a new set of metal clips for the bearings on the Y-axis. The belt tensioning mechanism on the X-axis was reworked and the X-end plastic parts reinforced. The filament path in the extruder was altered for better support of flexible filaments. Spring steel sheets are easy to maintain and make removing the printed object from the print surface a breeze. We offer 3 types of print surface: smooth, textured, and satin, to cover all your needs when printing from a wide range of different materials, most of which do not require any special separation layers or surface preparation. The MK3S Plus features an aluminum extrusion Y-axis assembly. Thanks to the milled dural frame, the MK3S Plus is stable, rigid, and easy to assemble. Combined with our internally developed extruder featuring Bondtech gears and the E3D-V6 hot end, the MK3S Plus can print high-quality objects up to 210 mm in height. Are you afraid of a blackout ruining your 48-hour print? Worry no more, the MK3S Plus can deal with that. The printer can fully recover from the loss of power and continue printing exactly where it left off. It detects power interruptions and shuts down the heat bed and extruder heating, and saves the last known location.